nhớ rằng nên nó quy là khi cho conditional sentences là do conditional do bao nhiêu ngân khai conditional một bao họ xử lý zero conditional first conditional second conditional third conditional giờ lên tới bên cái làm sai cho conditional hay tiền nhiều xí đi chả giờ thì nó một không sang trong đi chả zero conditional do xí trâu tây giả của nữ有主持系莫真1%是列点莫言到持续了也多有主持系了要么做发 scientific things 了 science 呀 zero conditional ลูกของสร้างย่อ if บวก present simple จุดบวก present simple เพราะนั่นย่อลูกของสร้าง the zero conditional if เรารู้ให้ตี if อยู่ก็ตัวอย่างสีเรารู้ให้ตี when แทนเท่าอย่างเลยเจ้าเราสีเป่าเรารู้แต่ if เท่าแต่สีส่วนดาวอย่างที่หนึ่งสีเรารู้แต่ if ดาวด้วยย่อให้เจ้า conditionalอย่าลืมต่อลูกของสร้าง present simple tense active voice เทียบ passive voice ตัวอย่างเจ้าเราสีต่อจอ conditional อีกอย่างเกาหลีลูก present simple tense ว่าย่อactive voice ลูกของสร้างจะย่อ subject บวก verb ทรงที่อีจะมาเรียนบวก object เลยย่อ complement ต่อไปของลูกของสร้าง the present simple passive จะย่อ subject บวกam is are บวก verb ทรงที่เป๊ะเลยย่อ past participle verb จะมาเรียนบวก object เลยย่อบวก complement ต่อไปเทียนย่อthọ tàu lúc không sáng nó là chỉ dùng mà đi cho nó sáng của ít bao nhiêu hay tiền luôn chơi luôn thì dù cho nó sáng thế này nhiều ở hai mươi lít chả giảm tới bồi ho một trăm ít % tiền xử lý khó bao nhiêu của cụ nhục là cho biết sáng nó if you heat ice it melts if you heat iceเขาnói do condition or it melts đó nói do result lời do hay tiệt if you hit ice do if clause 或要ทำหน้าที่เป็นdependent clause 或 it melts แล้วก็用 main clause 呀ถ้าคนแต่ละก็ตัวอย่างเป่าif clause ที่ independent clause เลยย่อdependent clause ไม่ใช่ลงเตาอย่างสลีลอชาวกันเนาะ ice melts if you heat it ice melts if you heat it แต่ชิทอก็มั่วลงเลยเนาะเลยก็มั่วลง comment clause ว่าเท่าไอ้มั่วคอif clause เลยย่อ dependent clause มันจะเราจอต่อกันเลยเจนุจิมั่วจุดเลยย่อ command เลยนะจงย่อย่อเดี๋ยวก็มั่วคอif clause เลยย่อ dependent clause จะเราจอเท่าเจตาของ clause เลยอยู่จุดมั่วจุดเอาเท่ามาเลยไปต่อ main clause เลยย่อ independent clause talk on the present simple active voice เลยกูจึงชัว present simple passive voice 我要对应叫老师找路conditional 呢到底样高要是例 if ice is heated it melts 了要 ice melts if it's heated 要我要一点ก็มัวcho năm con cho lọt lợ chỉ nhiều ra lấy rồi tiền năm con trọt lợ chỉ năm con ra nhỏข้อต่อไปเลยย่อ example เชื่อย่อ if you cut your finger it bleeds เลยย่อให้ตี your finger bleeds if you cut it ขอน้อยอยู่กู้ตัวอย่างเจ้าชิลงมั่วชิลงเต่าตีอย่างเกาหลีแต่ชิจึงจังสับเลยย่อตัวเข้ามานั่นน่ะขอน้อยนี่ย่อ low zero conditional 主要是你那是ย่อ做个包的人头你要出席1%了要点我里那了要主出席里那是解释路 zero conditional 套路 zero conditional 了被我套路 first conditional 我要路第二样路那要是就了招 tây giả của nữ trừ sĩ nữ mua phèn đầu của trừ sĩ tỏ không đây dạ nữ cũng có trừ sĩ ít bộ percent thì sĩ phèn đầu có chủ trừ sĩ xử lý lu first conditional nó nữ mua lu khổng sang rong nó nè if บวก到 present simple tense เจมาเลยบวก到 subject บวก到 will บวก到 verb สองที่อีเลยยอง base verb เลยยองคงยังไงให้เดีย future simple tense ตัวอย่าง if my car is fixed today I will go fishing tomorrow เลยยองให้เดีย tomorrow I will go fishing if my car is fixed today. Rồi những tàu tí giả gọi lý do. Chuyện chén sắp lời chỉ hỏi thì có một khó independent clause ở thơ. Chỉ chỉ một chút lời. Hỏi hỏi thì có một if clause lý do dependent clause ở thơ. Chỉ tỏ cả anh ưu nhông đời chúng một chút cho mà lý bài cho main clause lý do independent clause. Các từอย่างdân dĩ mù dọ tomorrow he will join you if it doesn't rain lo do hay tía if it doesn't rain chút he will join you tomorrow rồi những tàu tí dạng câu lý dọ giờ lên nó lúc first conditional nếu sĩ đó tí dạng hoặc mua phèn tàu nếu trừ sĩ tàu hơn đây chỉ có sĩ luôn nó nè họ giờ tiệt trừ sĩ bộ percent là chỉ sĩ luôn zero conditional là do scientific things thằng đó lúc first conditional nó là chỉ một đó lúc second conditional là do unreal là do imaginary situation lúc nó chỉ hay cho tiệt giả và nữ chỉ do tiệt giờ là do tiệt yêu xa tới lo sư vì xa tiệt có xa ô của xa có cụ rong nữa nó xa có do nó chỉ cụ yêu ô lý nó là do tiệt nữ xa có nữ do nó chỉ nữ yêu ô lý nó vậy lúc không sang được lúc second conditional nó chỉ nữ do if buộc đầu past simple tense chỉ mà li buộc đầu subject buộc đầu would buộc đầu verb song thì y là do base verb mà li buộc object là do complementต่อไปตัวอย่าง if I were you I would marry her do trong ít khó trình chân sắp lại do nhau trao conditional giờ hay tia như do I you we they he she it là do third person singular là do tế giả chấm nụ nói giờเป็นอดีตหลอดจิตเจ้าvoice 有主导 word 但同时有可能有ข้อห้ามเลย有 exception เลย有เกี่ยวกับหลงว่า I would marry her if I were you 有cho nó chỉ nhớ được có sẽ có nhẹ thì chả sẽ có con nhẹ mò có if clause ว่า thay เลย有มันจงต่อกันตัวอย่างต่อไป if ก้าวเจ้า could transform into a bird she would have wings to fly everywhere รอยย่อก้าวเจ้า would have wings to fly everywhere if she could transform into a bird ย่อยิ่งตอบที่อย่างเกาหลีอย่าลืมเด้อเขาก็ถาโซเตียว่าก็เดี๋ยวซาก็ร้องน้องอายุโอลินอเจชิลู second conditional เรามาจะรู้ third conditional รู้นอยชีโตเตียปีศาจเรียเด็กก็ตะวันเท่ารออะไรอย่างหนึ่งย้อนต่ออดีตละ我ก็大家冇叫落係做一點，哦有一點同到古操我哩喏，完全有用哩喏，你有一點同到古我哩喏，完全你都用哩喏嚟，嗱呢樣，我係硬就用一下哩啲要苦事做下要到揾頭冇嚟喏啦嘛，一路的 conditional sentence 喏就你冇空生用喏呢 ，if บวก到 past perfect บวก到 subject บวก would haveจะมาเลยบวกต่อ verb ทรงที่เป๊ะเลย past participle verb จะมาเรียนบวกต่อ object เลย complement ต่อไป chỉ thầu có tao lúc không sáng nó là chỉ có mà lý cho lò thèn của bà nhộn nhỏ có mà liên thiệt cho lù cho lò thèn còn trời lý lúc không sáng nói giả lý tê suit physics bây giờ bây giờ suit lệ tê chỉ có chỉ muốn cho lò thèn cho sẽ dọ nhóm tại lò lù luôn chưa lù có hai nơi trên một trâu lý trả một trâu sinh tư từ dạng cũng muốn là cho patient từ nó nữa nhở nếu giờ if he had listened to his mother he wouldn't have had an accident. Bây giờ he wouldn't have had an accident if he had listened to his mother. Đấy tàu tiết dạng gọi là dùng trong cái tiệt một chút thiết chỉ một chút nhở. Cácตัวอย่างต่อไป you would have passed the exams if you had studied grammar. Rồi giờ if you had studied grammar you would have passed the exams. Nhưng tàu tí dạng câu lý giờ lên tới conditional về nếu chủ yếu lên nó xứ giờ một lâu họ nó có cho lo sai si cho lúc sĩ hỏi là sự thana can situation hoặc có yếu hay có cho luôn tới tiền nếu do họ lưu tư chỉ có mấy sai cho nó cho lo hay cho lo trâu chỉ có hay trâu nó sử dụng giờ tiếng có trên cơ sở của từ nếu support của từ dùng comment trâu các nó tiếp tục cái nó dùng share mà trâu có cho phong dư hoặc là những cận đại kỹ chữ sinh sắp lại do và nhà con lý do English grammar có lời tập báo thế giờ một trong